Well, this is Google Opal and I just created a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So yeah, that model is now available in Google Opal. So this is actually a great tool to create some custom workflow that is being powered by the models from Google, including the Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a simple workflow that later can be used to create a high quality picture that is being powered or generated by the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Don't worry, this is very simple. You don't have to be a technical person because we can actually create a workflow with just a text description. So let me show you how you can do it. Let's navigate to opal.withgoogle.com. This is still experimentation, but it is actually available in lots of countries, so I don't think you have to use a VPN anymore. Now here, I'm going to click Create New. And you can actually manually create your own workflow if you know how to work with node-based interface like this. But in this case, I just want to use a prompt that later will turn into a workflow. And this is the prompt that I'm going to use. It's very simple and you can actually copy this from the description down below. Just copy the prompt and you can put that prompt right here and send the message. Now just wait, because after this there are a few things that we need to do, because Gemini 3 Pro image or Gemini Nano Banana Pro is still new and there is a good chance that this prompt might not be using the image model, the latest image model later, so we have to select the model manually. So the tool or the workflow has been generated, which is good. Now here for the generate image section, you want to open it and click this. Select Gemini 3 Pro image or Gemini Nano Banana Pro. You can actually use the previous model, but I prefer the latest and greatest at the moment. And after that, if you want to try this app and you want to create some pictures, click preview and you can start using the app. And by the way, you can also share the app in case you want to share your creation to the public. You can do that, but in this case, I just want to use this tool personally. I'm going to click start. And you can describe the picture that you want to generate. So I have this prompt, I'm going to just copy and paste it right here, send a message, and just wait for Gemini 3 Pro image or Gemini Nano Banana Pro to create this picture. Now there are actually plenty of things that you can customize. You can choose your custom prompt. If you know how to prompt, then you can customize the information right here. And yeah, there are many steps that you can add, like you can also turn the picture into a video using the video model. That's also possible. You can also create a web layout that looks prettier. That's also something that you can try. But again, if you just want to create a simple image generation app using Google Opal that is being powered by Gemini Nano Banana Pro, then this is the simplest, the easiest method that you can try. And there you go. So we got this picture of a young woman holding a giant banana and also holding this iPhone, taking a selfie in front of a mirror. And you can right click save image and you can save it to your computer. Now this is using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, but unfortunately, it is not 4K, it is not even 2K picture, so it is only 1K resolution, which is the same as in the regular version of Nano Banana. But still, the quality will be still a lot better, and also there is no watermark whatsoever, so it's clean from that annoying watermark. If you create a picture in Gemini platform, there is going to be that watermark, but in this case there is no watermark whatsoever. So that's one benefit. And also I forgot to mention that you can specify the aspect ratio of the picture. You can just provide that info in the prompt and it will generate a picture based on the size that you prefer. So that's how you can create a simple workflow using Google Opal that is being powered by Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.